Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable two-factor authentication in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already gone to Amazon.com and logged into my account. Initially, I'm just gonna go to Accounts and List that you will find right next to Returns and Orders. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then from here, something like this will open up. Well, do note, adding a two-factor authentication is related to login and security, so I'm gonna click on this button right now. Well, once you click on it, you will be in the login and security page, but right now I'm just gonna scroll down, and right here you can see something like two-step verification, and right next to it here's something like turn on. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna give you two options, whether to enroll in a 2FA authenticator using your phone number or using your authenticator app. Well, the choice is up to you. But right now, I'm gonna select the Authenticator app and I'm just gonna scan this QR code right now. I have scanned the QR code and I have received an OTP. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well, I have entered it and I'm just gonna click on Verify OTP and continue. And guys, once you've clicked on it, this will open up. Well, it says almost done. I'm not gonna look at it right now, I'm just gonna scroll down. And once everything's okay, simply hit on this yellow button right here. And guys, that's it. We have enabled two-step verification in our Amazon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.